Hey y'all, it's me Nadia, also known as OMG_it's Nadia, and today's video is going to be on some goodies from the new line by Alikay Naturals, the Liquid Gold line. So the products I will be using to do my hair is the Lemongrass leave-in conditioner, the Lemongrass super twisting butter, and also the Lemongrass sleek and shine finishing oil. So I'm not really a huge fan of spray leave-in conditioners, but although this one says that it is lightweight, it actually seems much thicker than the leave-in conditioners I've used in the past, and I like it. And it says that it's supposed to help lock in moisture, soften, straighten, and condition each strand. So the butter I'll be using to twist my hair is the super twisting butter, and y'all, as you can see, I was pretty excited about using this product, and I was really amazed by the consistency of it, because I'm pretty sure all it is just a whipped shea butter, but I haven't used any products as of lately that look like this one, and it looked just like it feels so soft, but it doesn't feel that soft, but it's not that hard either. It's really the perfect consistency for a butter for my hair, and I feel like I really did like using it. I probably used too much of it, but I like this butter. So as y'all can see, the style I'll be doing is a twist and curl, and normally when I'm twisting the hair in the back of my head, I use the blue perm rods because I like for my curls back there in that area to be tighter, and that's the type of look the blue perm rods gives because of course they are smaller perm rods. But for the rest of my hair, I'll be twisting my hair and using the peach perm rods. Also, since I'm working on freshly washed hair, I'll be using bobby pins to pin my twist down because I know if I don't, my hair, it'll shrink up a lot more than what I want. So this way it'll kind of elongate my curls or twist, I guess you can say. So the oil I'll be using to take down my twist is the Lemongrass Sleek and Shine Finishing Oil. And this oil, it says that it is an amazing blend of natural oils designed to nourish and add shine to your curls. And there is two different ways you can use it. So you can actually just spray a small amount of it onto your hair, or you can actually apply it in your hands and use it for untwisting. As you can see, that's what I'm doing. As you also can see, the definition was there, but y'all, to be honest, I feel like my twist out would have came out a lot better if I would have let my hair fully dry, because as I was taking my twist out, I realized that my hair was still damp. And you know, after you start taking the twist out when it's damp, it's like you just can't go back now. And then plus I had to go somewhere after this, so it was like, you know what, I just have to deal with this. But I would say the results weren't as bad as my hair would normally be if I was taking it out and it was still pretty damp. You could still see the definition, you could still pretty much see the little curls, but it's I just know it would have came out so much better. But look, it's moving, y'all, and my hair, it doesn't normally move like that because you know sometimes the froze, they just be wanting to stay stiff, but my hair, it had body, it was moving. I just know that it would have came out just so much better if I would have just let my hair fully dry. this Style Factor Edge Booster, oh my goodness, like where have I been? I must have been like hiding under a rock or something, because this edge control is so bomb. Gets the edges laid, slayed, slick, and like I found that like I can use this edge control one day, and then like the next day I don't even have to use it. All I have to do is spray some water and brush my hair, and bam, my edge is gonna be laid once again without me even having to reapply it.